Welcome to Lifestyle Trucker, guys. Today I'll show you how to change blower motor resistor. This job usually costs around $1,000 at the dealer. So what I did, I just unplugged and then I just bought a new one for like $50. And now I'm just gonna make a hole right here and just put it right here instead of taking all this panel off and everything off. So for the next step, I need to cut these wires somewhere, maybe like right here, and then get some extended wires to get it reach all the way here. So this box would sit with this connector down. I'm looking somewhere right here, I'm thinking. Now we made it this way. Pretty much just splice the wires all together to make it extended wires now. So all the original wires, and then this is the original connector. I make a hole in the right here inside this box so we can fit this connector, and with the wires going down this way, and it should sit all the way there like inside. And then we're gonna plug in this, and after we'll see. Alright, so now we're gonna do a spray. Any kind of spray can should work. So that way we can see how the box look like, the square that we need. Just like that. Now just put a 3M tape just around this whole thing, and after this I'm just gonna plug in right inside that hole that we made, and then I just try to put a connector back right here, connection, and it should work. This is how you save, guys, $1,000 if you go to dealership or any other shop. Just do it yourself. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in. We have that 3M tape on the other side right here all around, and this is the hole that we made inside the box. Yeah, we can plug it probably after. So play a little bit left, right, try to squeeze in. I think bottom first if anything. Just push it, and then I made a couple holes here on the sides, so you can just put tiny screws, and that way it's gonna hold even more tighter. Just like that. We'll plug it in a second. We're gonna try to put the screws, just tiny screws. We made 4 holes in the corners, so to make it like a squeeze in more, so air should not be coming out, hopefully. And yeah, that's how you do it. I decided to do with some silicone around the box to make sure air doesn't go, on the sides. And this is a model 2014 F350 Lariat. It should work between 2011 till 2017 on those type of trucks. Okay, guys, so pretty much just finished with the project. I want to show you what I was using. I was using right here a couple of the things. The glue gun, you can just, I use silicone, I use this tool from construction, use a knife, use this couple screws, 2 different type of wires, use the impact gun, 3M tape, right here for pre-drilling. I use spray can, you see in my video. This is I was used to clean the wires and stuff. So now you open, then you open on the side, and you can see that it's right there, and it's done. So this is how I relocated this sensor, this thing right there, and you don't have to spend $1,000, guys. Good luck, everybody.